Hi. In this video, we'll see how to process your actions to be taken in your platform. Actions to be taken are all the actions that require your input, such as implementing an initiative or completing a task within an action plan. The first way to access your actions to be taken is through the My Actions to be Taken widget on your homepage. You can also access them via the Actions to be Taken tab in the navigation area. This tab gives you additional options, such as filtering your actions using the search parameters or exporting your data using the Export button. Depending on your profile, you can also find your actions to be taken in Actions Monitoring by clicking the My Actions to be Taken button. From the My Actions to be Taken page, you can choose different display options to organize your actions as you prefer. Next to each action, the Options button lets you perform the expected task. For example, editing the progress of an initiative or confirming its implementation with success. You can also perform bulk actions by clicking the plus icon on the right side of the list. For instance, to confirm the implementation with success of 3 initiatives, click the plus icon. Select the actions you want, then click Selection Completed. Fill in the requested information, then click Submit. To edit the progress of an initiative, you can also click directly on the Edit button that appears when you hover over the progress bar. If you want to see more details about the initiative or task related to your action, simply click its title to open the corresponding initiative page. And here's a quick tip. When you select the list view, the icon in front of each action acts as a shortcut, allowing you to perform the main expected action directly without using the Options button. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.